In this video, I'll guide you through how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a road trip, organizing a delivery route, or simply wanting to keep track of your favorite spots, knowing how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the classic Google Maps interface that we all know and love. This is your starting point for mapping out those multiple locations. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a little icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. It'll open up a sidebar with more options for you to explore. Once the sidebar is open, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Saved. This will take you to a section where you can view locations you've previously saved and access other map-related features. Now, look for the Maps option and give it a click. This will bring up a list of any custom maps you may have created before. If this is your first time here, you might not see any maps just yet, but don't worry, we'll get to creating one shortly. After clicking on Maps, you'll see an option that says Open My Maps. Click on this and it will redirect you to a new page dedicated to custom map creation. This feature is a fantastic tool for visualizing multiple locations on a single map, and it offers a range of customization options. Once you're on the My Maps page, you'll notice a button that says Create a New Map. Click on this to start a fresh map where you can begin pinning multiple locations. This new map is your blank canvas ready to be filled with all the pins you need. At the top of your new map, you'll see an option labeled Add Marker. This tool allows you to drop pins on specific locations directly on the map. Click on Add Marker and then simply click on the map where you want to place your first pin. You can add details like names or descriptions for each marker to help keep everything organized. Now, you're ready to pin multiple locations. Continue using the Add Marker feature to place as many pins as you need across the map. Each pin can represent a different location, and you can customize them with different colors or icons to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned multiple locations on Google Maps. This feature is not only great for personal use, but also for sharing with others. You can easily collaborate on maps by sharing them with friends, family, or colleagues who might also benefit from your insights. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and visualize multiple points of interest, making your planning more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!